Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
I am in love. You feel ready? I waited quite a while for this. And I made a decision after, I think I was in Munich for 10 days, kind of off, not really off, but I had time to think and I thought like, what is Apple doing wrong? And what is Apple doing right during the last years? And there were some good decisions. Number one is the privacy topic that Apple is focusing on. I think that will become very important in the future. And number two, coming up with a small iPhone. Listen to this. Oh. Ooh. It's not as small as I thought, but it's definitely much smaller than this guy here. This is the Note 10 Plus. And this is the iPhone mini. Eat this. I think it's as thick as the iPad. It feels maybe thick because it's small. There is only one charger cable in here, USB-C to Lightning. That's pretty much it. All the stickers, you don't really need it. Oh, here we go. Suddenly there is an 10XR. It's a bit taller and wider, and I mean, I love the sharp edges. It feels much more handy, and the display feels good. As I said, let's fire it up and see where it takes us. So this is my old iPhone. We will switch SIM cards now. Okay, activating the new phone, that's easy. And this is my first time now back on iOS. I mean, I had an iPhone 7, which is also very small, but you can tell right away that even with a smaller size of the phone, you have a much larger screen. See that? Here to here and there. One of my biggest concerns actually is a battery lifetime, because this battery, don't shoot me, but this is roughly 4000 milliampere and this is 2200, something like that, so a bit more than half of that. So yeah. First impression. First impression, it's fast. What I like is that you actually can reach over with like one finger to the other side. This, I mean, if you open YouTube on this one here, and you want to open here, you have to slip into the middle of the phone, which makes it like slipping outside of your hand, because I really don't like to use anything around it. And the aluminum frame makes it feel quite strong. And even if it falls, I think it could easily crack if it like lands on the wrong side, that's for sure, but it feels better, much better in the hand than this one. I mean, I will definitely miss the S Pen. There is a whole movie about the S Pen. Bye-bye S Pen for now. Okay. And I mean, the camera experience on this one is insane. Let's have a look at this guy here for now. Let's see what we can do here. Portrait mode. Ooh, look at Jan. Look at Jan. Ooh, my goodness.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
I mean, I'm shooting with a street cam with a Ricoh GR3 anyways. There's a video here that we made about it. It's more important like to have something, if it falls, that you make sure it's safe. But I would say for nice shots, this is definitely worth it. And I used to use the remote control with the S Pen. You can remote control the phone. There is supposed to be a remote control via the Apple Watch. Oh, small, like this. So we gotta figure a way that makes it look cool. I don't know. I usually used to like place it somewhere. For example, take a video for the podcast and then fire up the stick. And here it's actually not that bad because I can see myself here on the watch. I never use that. I mean, most of the people would say, whoa, it works for a while, but I actually like that. It's a feature that is very useful. I think I'm in love. Look at this compared to this. Okay? You know what I'm talking about? Okay? I am in love. And there will be a detailed review soon. Don't tell MP that we unpacked the phone yet, and make sure you subscribe here.